Good morning to all of you. Now today we will study about the effects of noise pollution. In last class we have seen about the sources of noise pollution from the household, from the factory, from the marketplace, social events, all the thing. Now what are the effects of noise pollution? We will see today. So effects of noise pollution, effects of noise pollution is on human beings, on animals and on environment also. So first we will see that what is the effect of noise pollution on human. See, noise pollution is very dangerous for human being also, for animals also, as well as for the environment also. And due to the noise pollution, cause of nervous disorder, headache, high BP and short memory, these are the effect due to the noise pollution. Now depression and fatigue, due to which the efficiency of person reduces. This is also due to the noise pollution. Frustration and difficulty in concentration, disturbance of rest, physical and mental fatigue, it is due to the noise pollution. Chronic exposure to noise may cause noise-induced hearing loss. So these are the cause on human due to the noise pollution. Here deafness, annoyance, stress, these are due to the noise pollution. Stroke, asthma, cancer, heart attack, arteries, sclerosis, high BP, reducing lung development, bronchitis, COPD, okay, coughing, sneezing, these all are due to the what? Due to the noise pollution. So these are the effects on human due to the noise pollution. Now on animals, also noise pollution damage the nervous system of animal, and due to which the increase of death by altering the prey, predator detection and avoidance, due to which there is a death in the animal. Okay, now control of the minds of animal lose their control on their minds, and it creates problem in their use of sounds in reproduction and navigation. The animals become dangerous and attacking due to the noise pollution. And the noise pollution which is from the ship engine and sonar system. Sonar, you will study about sonar and radar, about sonar in class 9th. Okay, and radar also. The topic is in 9th class is sonar. Okay, sound navigation. The full form of sonar is sound navigation and ranging, which is used for detecting the depth of the sea or the enemy ship with the help of ultrasound. So noise pollution which is caused from ship engine and sonar system, it make difficult for a marine animal, whales and dolphins. Okay, and it prevent it from communicating, finding food and avoiding hazards. And if the noise pollution is very much high, so its abilities to raise an animal's heartbeat speed. Due to the noise, the heartbeat or speed of the animal increases, and due to which the animal's metabolism also get harmed. So these are the effect of noise pollution on animals. Okay, so we have seen that the effects of noise pollution on human being and the effects of noise pollution on animal. And these are the effects of noise pollution. The diagram you are seeing with the help of diagram. The fish, okay, the submarines, animals, they died due to this excessive noise pollution. Now on environment, due to the noise, the growth of some animals is also not proper, and birds as well rely on hearing to help find their prey. So these noise is a serious disadvantage. Okay, now noise, due to the noise pollution, the poor quality of crops in pleasant atmosphere. Noise pollution causes poor quality of crops. These are the effects on the environment. and the noise is breaking the earth barrier, and this could lead to destruction of the world. So noise pollution, which we are thinking that it is we are taking it lightly, it is very much dangerous for human being, for animal, and for environment also. Second, how you can prevent noise pollution? By not using the horns unnecessary, and the area like hospital and campuses which are silent zones and horning is prohibited there. In that case, don't horn. We have to not horn the vehicles. Second, we have to turn off the engine of our car and motorcycle when they are not in use, and this will reduce air pollution. If we are working in an area where there are loud noises, so we have to wear earplug, due to which we can prevent loss of hearing. Okay, we can rake leaves by hand. We have to not use noisy leaf blower. When we are trimming the bushes or shrubs, trim it with the hand, don't with the noisy bus trimmer. We can prevent noise pollution by not blasting the music, means we are by not listening the music on the radio or computer or speaker very much in the high volume. And when there is a dog in the home, train your dog not to bark so much. Okay? And when you are doing noisy things like dishes, hammering, you have to do on a rubber mat, because on the rubber mat the sound will get reduced. So these are the method how we can prevent noise. Don't horn unnecessary when the vehicles are not in use. Switch off the engine. Trim bushes and shrubs with hand. Don't play music in the loud. And when you are working in an area which is very much noisy, wear headphone. Now the last topic of the chapter is hearing impairment. See, total hearing impairment, it is very rare in the people, and it is usually from birth itself. Okay, and when there is partial disability, it results in disease. And the children with impaired hearing, they need special care, because they cannot listen the thing. So what they do, they have to learn sign language, and these children communicate effectively. Okay, speech, what it do? Speech developed as the direct result of hearing. So if a child have hearing loss, maybe he have also defective speech also. So technological devices are also used for hearing. Okay, so that the quality of life of such person who are impaired, they can improve. So hearing impairment, total hearing impairment is usually from the birth, which a person cannot listen at all, but there are partial disability also, and that can result into injury, age, or disease, due to a disease, due to injury, or due to the age factor also. And if the hearing impairment is not proper, if there is hearing impairment, so speech will be also defective. So technology devices are used for hearing impaired, and due to which the quality of life of the people has increased. Now, this was all about the chapter. Now here keywords is given. What do you mean by amplitude, eardrum, frequency, hertz, lyrics, loudness, noise, oscillation, pitch, time period, vibration, voice box, speed pipe. We have discussed all of this in our lecture. After this exercise, choose the correct answer. Sound can travel only gases, solid, liquid and gas. Since sound require a medium, so it can, what will be the answer? What will be the answer? You all know that it can travel through solid, liquid and gas. Voice of which of the following is likely to have minimum frequency? See, it has asked minimum frequency. Baby girl, baby boy, a man, a woman. You know this. Sound cannot travel in vacuum. It is true or false. The number of oscillation per second of a vibrating object is called its time period. No. Number of oscillation per second is frequency. If the amplitude of vibration is large, sound is feeble. Now, if amplitude will be more, then sound will be louder. For human ears, the audible range is 20 to 20,000 hertz. Correct. The lower the frequency of vibration, the higher is the pitch. Wrong. Unwanted or unpleasant sound is termed as what? It is termed as not music. It is termed as noise. Noise pollution may cause partial hearing impairment. True. And you have also noticed what are the effects of the noise pollution on animal, on human being, on environment. Time taken by an object to complete one oscillation is called time period. Loudness is determined by the dash of vibration. You all have seen. Okay, loudness is determined by the dash of vibration. Now, the unit of frequency is unwanted sound is called dash. Shrillness of sound is determined by the dash of vibration. So you have to complete this activity. This chapter exercise you have to complete with your own. I have discussed the things. If you are finding anywhere any problem, you can ask to me. Now the question, next question, a pendulum oscillates 40 times in 4 seconds. Find its time period and frequency. The sound from a mosquito is produced when it vibrates its wings at an average rate of 500 vibrations per second. What is the time period of the vibration? Identify the part which vibrates to produce sound in the following instruments. So these all the question you can do. You have to complete this exercise with your own. Here it is given what is the difference between noise and music. We have discussed. List sources of noise pollution in your surrounding. You have to write in your own word that what are the noise pollution, list sources of noise pollution in your own surrounding. Now explain in what way noise pollution is harmful to humans. So I have explained you the topic effect of noise pollution on human. Your parents are going to buy your house. They have been offered one on the roadside and other 3 lanes away from the roadside. Which house would you suggest your parents should buy? Explain your answer. If it is on the roadside, it will create a lot of noise pollution. If it is 3 lanes away from the roadside, it will create less pollution. So you have to explain this in your own words. Sketch lyrics and explain its function in your own words. You have notice that due to which the sound is produced in human due to the lyrics. Yes, lightning and thunder take place in sky at the same time and at the same distance from us. Lightning is seen earlier and thunder is heard later. Can you explain why? Yes, it's very much simple question, because the speed of light in air is 3 into 10 to power 8 meter per second, but the speed of sound in air is 332 meter per second. So that's why due to the speed, the lightning is heard first, and then after that, we see the lightning, not we heard, we see the lightning first, and then after that there is a thundering in the sky. Okay, so this here the question is a pendulum oscillates 40 times in 4 seconds. 40 times in 4 seconds. So in 1 second how much time? 10 times. So 10 times per second means number of oscillation per second. How many number of oscillation per second here? 10 oscillation per second. So frequency will be 10 Hertz. Frequency will be 10 Hertz. And what is time period? Time period will be 4 upon 40, 1 by 10, that is 0.1 second. The sound from a mosquito is produced when it vibrates its wing at an average rate of 500 vibration per second. 500 vibration per second. In 1 second it is vibrating how many times? 500 times. So frequency will be 500 Hertz. So what will be time period? 1 by 500. So 1 by 500 will be how much? Calculate it. Okay. 0.002 second, that is 2 upon 1000 or 1 upon 500. So this is all about the exercise. You have to solve this exercise, and after completing keywords, solving exercise and all the important words which is in the chapter, please send the pic of that exercise to me on my WhatsApp. Okay, and now we have completed our 3 chapters in physics. First is force and pressure, second is friction, and third is sound. You have any problem from anywhere from these 3 chapters, please free to ask with me. Okay, thank you.